In this video, I will give you an overview of the AWS free tier, walkthrough of AWS Account Console and service quotas and limits.
Search for free tier. So basically, AWS free tier offers free trials, free services, etc. There are certain services which are free. Not all the services are free, so you have to be careful. But for the purpose of Solution Architect Associate exam, the services that are provided are usually enough to prepare for the exam. So you would always be in limit of these, you can say, provided free tier limits if you are just practicing for the exam and not using for any other or any other thing. So go to AWS free tier, create an free tier account. You have to provide all these details: root, user, email address, sign up with your email address, and you can provide the AWS account name. And once you're done with the process, you can go to console.aws.amazon.com, and you would be coming to something like this screen. Okay. So on the left, there are certain widgets. You can move them depending upon what type of things you want to see. There is cost and monthly usage. There are certain documentation related things, for example, exploring AWS solutions, blog post, and then you have a favorite tab. So this is called the console. You have recently visited service, what I've visited. So with services, you have all the application that AWS provides. For example, analytics, application integration, blockchain. So when you create your account, just go through, try to see what are the services there in the AWS console, right? Uh, on the top right, you have the Cloud Shell, which is basically a kind of a terminal that you can use to type any commands, which is AWS CLI. So it will create a CLI access, and you can type the commands, and it will provide you can say, for example, I just typed the command AWS S3 ls, which is basically listing all the S3 buckets I have. So these are the S3 buckets that I have created. So yeah, you can use this to type any AWS CLI commands.